Nation, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. You guys are welcome. Today we're going to have a fabulous episode. It is all about a deep plunging neckline for big boobs. The other day I had done an episode, I forget exactly, I think it was the episode in relation to Chloe and Tristan. Anyway, I was very surprised because a lot of you were like, Mamma Mia. Mamma Mia. For me, you're looking good, baby. You're looking perky. Tell us the secret. Come on now, don't be selfish. We want to have a deep V, and we know that you're a big busted sister. What's the secret? So I said, you know what? Today, as much as YouTube can allow me, I'm going to show you the secret, most especially for my big busted sisters, how you can have a deep plunging V. And as you can see, I have a deep plunging V. I wanted to show you today how I got it all together, and you can, it's all about support. You're going to need a bra, but you're also going to need some tape. You need the two. Why? Because you need the positioning, and then the tape is going to give you the support. Having just the tape is not enough. Having just the bra is not enough. Pray for me, my sisters. Pray for me, Fumi Nation. I will come out with my own shapewear. And because I'm big busted, I know what it is to have such a challenge, and you are limited. You really are just limited in what you have to wear. So the two tapes that I use, first and foremost, let me just show you. Yes, I have Yub tape, and I have a discount code for them. Yub tape by Yen the Label. She does a lot of underpinnings for celebrities. I'll put her Instagram up for you guys. It is hot in here, but it's so noisy outside that I just, I said, okay, fine. You know what it is for me? You just have to pick your poison. So here I am with an oily face. Okay, so when you open it, I'm sure you guys have seen this many a time. You have nipple covers to cover the nipples, and then you also have tape. What I like about Yub tape is that it's double-sided. Double-sided meaning that not only does it stick to your skin, it sticks to the fabric. That is what it does. Do you remember? Of course, I'm sure you guys know. It was J-Lo. Yeah. She wore a Versace dress, and that was how we ended up having Google Images, because so many people searched for that dress that Google now decided to have Google Images. That dress was double-sided taped. It was taped to the skin. It was taped to the dress. And that's what this is. Fantastic shade because it will camouflage, and I think she's going to come out with different shades. She sent me this because I told her, I said, look, Mama, I'm going to tell you right here and now, I need something that's kind of sort of flesh color to my complexion. So she sent me this, and I know that she has yet another one right here. Let me just double check. Yes, and then she made a black, but I said, you know what, send me the brown. So you want double-sided tape. On top of the fact that you are taping your bust up, you also want to position. For big busted girls, you got to do it, and I will show you how. Don't worry about it. I'm just giving you the introduction. Okay, then of course, my darlings, I have my beautiful push-up tape. Beautiful push-up tape. I also love their tape. You can see it's much lighter, it's much realistic. I have worn them for so many of my photo shoots, and it really just is easy. When you want to take the tape, a lot of you say, oh my God, for me, it's too complicated. It's too this, it's too that. It is true, unless you know what you're doing. So what you do is that you cut a piece, and I will show you, because it's important for you to understand that if you need this length, take half of it. Why? Because it stretches. So you have it like this, and then you pull the top off, okay? I would say, guys, that you take the tape, take this tape, and you put it behind the shoulder. You put your finger over it to support it, and then you pull the rest down. So I'm going to do it on my arm just to show you, okay? Don't pull the whole thing off because you will not have control over it. So pull it behind your shoulder. Let us assume that this is behind my shoulder like so, okay? So you have it positioned, pressed in. Then you take the rest of it and you pull it down. That is how you do the tape, and it sticks. It sticks right there, and that's what you do for your bust. You just pull it down, and then you position it underneath your bust. I have a discount code also for push-up tape, so use them. I'm going to put all of the links down below. And push-up tape has brown nipple covers. They thought of us. This they did. Not pink, but brown nipple covers. It's extremely important at any time you use the nipple covers, because that is the most tender part of your breast, the areola. You don't want to mess with that. Now, I am wearing a bra, plus I have the push-up tape, and then I have the UB tape in front with the double-sided tape to cover so that you can see nothing show. Hi, how are you? So this is the boob tape. Just press it over and just have it so that you can lift up the boobs like so. Gorgeous. And then I'm gonna wear my dress on top of this so that you can see how fabulous it looks. Okay, I'm just gonna put that on, and you will see how it covers. And then it will just cover like that, you see, and then you can have it really low. Ta-da. Is that not fabulous? Yes, you know, and it's all covered. Okay, I will show you soon. Hi darlings, how are you? Yes, we are ready to film Sister to Sister, but we have some construction going on in the house. Say hi to Tipu. Tipu, say hi. So Tipu is here. He's helping a sister and a brother out. I'm dressed. I'm wearing cavalli. I will have a video on the boobage and how I got everything together. As you can see, the tape and all. So I have that ready. But yeah, we're going to film Sister to Sister. I am obsessed with this JUVIAS Place Blush Palette. I had to use it again. And then look at the gold. I used it as a highlighter. Fabulous. The fabulosity of it all. And I'm going to show you a picture because I actually took all of this in real time. First thing is first, you need a bra. You need a bra. I'm going to show you. Flesh colored bras are nice because it's closest to your complexion, so that you really don't see. The thing here is that to have that deep V, this is not going to work. I'm showing you what not to get, even though you got the right color. Okay, this is by Nubian Skin, one of my best bras ever. I love them. They are comfortable. I've got the underwire. I don't need padding, so I love this bra. This is also Nubian Skin. I love the flesh toned colors because it goes very well for perhaps like a see-through sequin dress. So it's flesh toned, flesh colored, so you don't really see. And of course, I'm all covered. My nipples are covered. My crotch is covered. You know, my bottom is covered. I don't want to show off those, you know. It doesn't, for me, it just doesn't look right. It's not necessary. It's not necessary. It's for Ula, you know. Ula, this is your gift. Oh, God. It is so hot in here. This is another bra as well, Nubian Skin. But as you can see, they're not deep V friendly. They're not, as much as I love them. So what you need are deep V kind of bras. This is another bra. Can you believe that my bust was this tiny? Yes, it was. Before babies, before weight gain. But look at it. It's tiny. I don't know if they make this for big busted girls. I have no idea. For smaller bust, absolutely not a problem. That deep plunging line, not a problem. It would work, but it's the wrong size. It's absolutely the wrong size. We need double D's, we need F's, we need H's, we need G's. That's what we need. When you're buying a bra, especially for the deep V guys, remember to measure your rib cage underneath your boobs. Let us say, for example, like me, I'm a D, I'll be a 36D, I'll be a 35D, 34D or whatever. You measure your rib cage and then you choose the bra cup, okay? Here's another bra, which I love. And look at the lucite in the middle. These are the kind of bras that you will have to look for if you are big busted. Too small. I don't really see bras for big women like this, and I don't know why. We need the support, but you can still make 1 or 2 bras for us that has the lucite in the middle. When I start my brand, I am going to do it for you guys. Look for bras that you can clip in the middle. That is what you're going to have to look for. You need to look for bras that you can clip in the middle that will give you this décollage. That is what you need. This is another big bra, as you can see. Let me just try to position it for you guys, and you can see. It is sheer, it has no padding, which I love, and then it has that little centerpiece right here. There are a couple of things that I can tell you. Let me show you. You see how I have it like so? Let me just, because I have a lot of stuff in front of me. So, all right. Do you see how they have the décollage? In actual fact, this right here is what I tucked in. So you can tuck that into the bra just to give that beautiful plunge line effect. There you go. So you can tuck it in so you have that deep décollage. But something really clean like this, you have to have the bra that just is very low in front, like a clip. This is what you're looking for. And I will make these for you for big busted girls. This is a D, and this, my darling, is by Marks and Spencer. By Marks and Spencer here in England. This is another one that I have, and it is a T-zone in the back. So you can wear those T-zone dresses, you can wear those T-zone t-shirts, and then again, you clip it in the front. The key is to always try and have the clip in front. You don't have it, cut your bra out, an old one, because it's not going to be seen, that has support, especially that big beautiful strap at the bottom, because that will support your boobs, and then you use the tape to position them to stay for the night. Here's another one. This is a sheer one as well. Again, do you see? And this is what I use all the time. And this is by Autograph. Yep, this is by Autograph. When you wear the bra, this is the trick. When you wear the bra, make sure that you're kind of sort of lying down so that the bust really sits in the cup. When it sits in the cup, shove them to the side. Shove each one to the side so that you will have literally some spillage on the side here, because you need the space here. You want that décollage, you want to put on the contour, you want to put the glow, you want that center masterpiece. Once you have done that, that is when you put the tape in all the way, and position it right to the side so that it doesn't move. Because for big busted girls, you need double the support, and you need to find that bra. So I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave all of your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Tell me whether you want me to do because I'm not too sure how YouTube is. I had a picture here on YouTube for push-up tape, and it was very simple. YouTube got in touch with me. I said, no, they took it off. They said, no, it's too explicit. So that's why I'm trying to play it as safe as possible to show you. And I will put some clips in for you as well, so you can see how I wear the bra as well as the tape. The bra is for the support, the tape is for the position. And then after that, you are gorgeous. It will not move. It is absolutely fabulous. Okay, and you can do this for all of your deep plunging dresses, your t-shirts, whatever. You can go ahead and do this. All right, I hope you loved the episode, my darlings. And I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.